Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get booking.com promo code. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to just go to Google and search for a booking.com promo code. Now here you will get a lot of websites which provide you promo code. For example, here this is Grabon, and once I click on it, by the way, here let me just close this, right? So here you will find that right now this is a hot deal. It will give me a 50% off on my bookings. This is same way, that is 15% off. This is 40% off plus 10% off with the Genius membership, right? So there is official travel coupon from the booking.com too, so you can just go to their website and basically how to get a coupon code they have. I suggested you the steps, but I like this one, right? So for example, I just like this one. I will click on get deal, and here it says offer activated. So this is the code, right? And it will redirect to me booking.com, as you can see here. By the way, you can just copy it up by yourself. You can just, for example, if you want, you can just copy this, right click and copy, and just go to booking.com. If you're booking some hotels or restaurants, whatever, you can just apply that booking.com promo code there and you can use it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.